What's going on, guys? Union Pacific Omaha here, and today again we are looking at new HO scale stuff. I'm pretty excited about today's haul. So I only spent about $120 for all this. So I traded in my Athearn Genesis GP38-2. I know some of you guys really like that unit. I did too, but I just didn't really I liked having it around, but let me adjust that a little bit. But I didn't really use it enough, and I didn't use it very much compared to most of my units. And with the changes I've made to my layout, I don't really need it anymore. I have an SD60, I have an SD40. I don't need a Jeep. They do similar things. I don't use the SDs on road trains or anything. So, yeah. So, enough about that. Let's look at the new things I got. So, at House of Trains, they have this big display case over in their used section, and they have a ton, like 50 HO scale, I think these are all Athearn, hoppers. There's like 20 UP ones. I picked out two. I don't know. These two are different a little bit. This is an Chicago Northwestern, now UP hopper. Pretty cool one. These were both $15 each, which is a great price. Not the most detail or anything, but really happy with these two cars here. So as you can see, I have one very, very similar to this. This is I believe this one is either Athearn ready to run or ready to roll, or Intermountain. This one might be Intermountain or something. Not 100% sure, but I'm happy with those units. I'm really trying to make a big unit grain, Union Pacific unit grain. So yeah, okay. So let's get on to this now. Rivet Counter Scale Trains ES44 AC. So, what road did I get? That's right, I got Kansas City Southern. I've been looking for a Southern Bell unit. I was just trying to get like a Walthers mainline one, like a Gevo or an Ace with sound for like 150. I looked everywhere online. I looked at stores, could not find any. So I had to. I'm not gonna wait around. So I just decided to pick up this guy. They only had DC ones, not any with sound. So I picked up this one. It's just standard DC. They don't have any operator ones. Excuse me, I had to get a drink yet. So I had to just pick up this unit. And so, yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Sorry if I sound a little bad. I have a cold right now. So I haven't opened this thing up yet. So let me adjust the camera and we will do that. Alright. Okay. I'll move this back a little bit. Okay, let's get this out of the box. Now, honestly, you guys know I'm not really a fan of buying Rivet Counter and Genesis kind of stuff because these are expensive. And I don't really care that much about detail. I'd rather just get cheaper, because I could get an ET44 with sound for $150, but they didn't make operator ET44s with sound. So here's our locomotive, ES44AC 4772. This is just a really great looking model. I can't wait to get this out of the box. Pretty nice packaging, pretty standard for a high-end model. Really packed in there well. Okay. I'm not 100% sure what these are. Maybe extra pieces or something. I'll just put those there. Alright. Ooh, this thing is heavy. Wow, I'm telling you. This thing, I forgot how they have these on the trucks. This thing has got a lot of detail. Just looking at it from right here, I'll move the tripod down a little bit. Damn it, I'm hitting the wall there. But yeah, just look at the front of this thing. This thing has a lot of detail on it. It's got all the grab irons, MU hoses, stuff like that. I'm eventually gonna put DCC in this, maybe sound too. But yeah, wow, this locomotive has got a ton of detail. They did a very, very, very good job on these. They have looks like everything. I've seen hundreds and hundreds of these in real life, and they did a great job. This is very spot on. I've seen these units from pretty much every angle besides underneath them, which there's not a whole lot to look at there anyway. But yeah, this is a great looking model. Let me get these out. Now my friend Owen, he has a Genesis KCS Mac, and I loved. I went over to his house to run trains one of these times, and I absolutely loved that. So it kind of inspired me and kind of made me want to get a Kansas City Southern unit. So here we are today with this. Yeah, this is such a nice looking unit. I can't wait to get DCC and probably sound in this thing too. This is a great looking unit. Blown away by the amount of detail on this. Such great looking model. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Union Pacific Omaha out.